14 years ago, I was approximately making 1.5 lakh rupees a month in a dead-end job. Today my company, Orange Star Logistics, does over 25 crores in yearly revenue. But here's what nobody tells you about their journey. I had lots of ups and downs. Lost money, lost sleep, almost gave up. And today, I am going to tell you everything. The real story. Not the Instagram highlight reel. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to break it down. How I went from corporate employee to business owner. The exact amount of money I started with. The moment everything clicked. And the practical steps you can take starting today. Let me take you back to 2012. I had a settled job as a key account manager in one of the leading express company. Here's what my life looked like actually then. Wake up at 5 a.m. Commute for 60 minutes. Work 9 to 6, sometimes on weekend also. Salary up to 1.5 lakh. Savings after expenses. Zero growth path visible for the next 5 years. The worst part, I was not at all unhappy at first. I thought this was just life. This was what everyone did. But then I had a feeling to start my own business and I decided to put down my papers and started Orange Star Logistics with all the experience I have from the express industry. But here's the problem. It's easy to say, just start. Follow your passion. The reality hit within 2 months. I was all for my clients. I was acting as a customer service guy, an operations guy, a sales guy, and a finance guy. I started making money more than my salary, but sacrificed my weekends. And being in business is like being 24/7 available for your business. I learned so many lessons during my journey of 14 years with Orange Star. Within 1 year, we hit 1 crore in revenue. But I started burning out and realized I cannot do everything on my own. So I made 3 critical decisions. Decision 1. Hired my first employee. I hired someone to handle operations and customer service while I focused on sales. My best decision ever. Decision 2. Invested in logistics software. 50,000 for a system that automated my tracking and inventory. And it saved me 4 hours every day. Decision 3. Focused on one niche first. Instead of serving everyone, we specialized in express door deliveries and become the go-to logistics partner for that segment. Today, Orange Star Logistics serves 150 plus clients, turnover over 25 crores, team of 25 people, profitable since the first month. But more importantly, I'm building something meaningful. We are helping small businesses grow, and that's the real win. If you take nothing else from this video, remember these 5 things. Lesson 1. Failure is data, not defeat. 14 years taught me what not to do. Each one got me closer to the right answer. If you are feeling right now, you're not behind. You're learning something. Lesson 2. Solve your problem first. The best businesses solve problems which you have experienced personally. You understand the customer because you were the customer once. Stop looking for trending business ideas. Look at your own life. What frustrates you? Lesson 3. Talk to customers before building. Don't build anything until you have talked to at least 20 potential customers. Validate the problem exists and make sure they will actually pay for your solution. Lesson 4. You don't need lot of money. I started Orange Star with zero investment. You probably need few thousands to start. Most people use "I don't have money" as an excuse to not to start. Start small, prove the concept, then scale. Lesson 5. Keep your job until you can't. I know everyone says take the leap, but honestly, keep your job until your business is making at least 50% for the 3 months consistently. Here's what you should do this week if you want to start. Day 1 2. List your frustrations. Write down 10 things that frustrate you in your daily life, work or hobbies, real problems you face regularly. Day 3 4. Google each problem. See if others also facing it. Look for existing solutions and their gaps. Find online communities discussing it. Day 5 and 7. Talk to at least 10 people. For the most promising problem, find 10 people who might face it. Ask them about their experience. Would they pay for a solution and how much? That's it. 7 days. If you do this, you will be ahead of 90% aspiring entrepreneurs who just consume content and never take any action. Look, 14 years ago, I was exactly where you might be right now. Frustrated, underpaid, dreaming of something more but scared to take that first step. The difference between me then and me now is not that I'm more smarter or more talented. It's that I finally stopped waiting for the perfect moment and started taking imperfect action. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. Take the first step. Learn from it, adjust and keep going. If this story resonated with you, drop a comment telling me what problem you're thinking of solving. Let's help each other out. And if you found value in this, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm sharing everything I learned building Orange Star, the win, the losses, all of it. I will see you in the next one. Now go build something.